everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to download or update Google Drive for desktop. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. So I'm just searching for Drive. Click on the first link and click on the install button. Once the installation is completed, you just have to follow the screen step for login or sign in process. Prefer automatic updates. Open the Google Drive app on your computer. It will check your updates and install them in the background automatically. And you can update manual by downloading the installer or get Google Drive handle it automatically. And that's it, how you update Google Drive for desktop in under 1 minute. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.